Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to get into and register for MyManagementLab. The first thing you do is navigate to mygmt.edu. Then once you're here, be sure to go to Blackboard Learn. Not Vista, but this semester we're using the new learning management system called Blackboard Learn. So navigate there, click on Blackboard Learn, and then you'll see this screen. This will list the courses that you'll be taking for the summer. Then we'll click on our management course, and here's the screen that you'll come to. You'll always come to the announcements course when you enter. Then what I'd like you to do is go down and click on My Management Lab in the menu area on the left. So we'll do that. So now we've clicked on My Management Lab and we're in their platform, their software, which it's software provided by the publisher, in this case Pearson. So let's click on Student and start the process. Well, we start off by, they asked, register for MyManagementLab. Do you have a course ID? Well, if you go back to the announcements page, you'll see partway down MyManagementLab instructions, you'll see a course ID number. What I suggest is that you just copy, and then we'll navigate back to the registration for MyManagementLab, and we'll paste in the course ID number. Then hit Next. Now the process is going to ask you if you have an access code. The access code, as you can read here, could be provided by your text if you bought a new text at the Three Rivers bookstore. Or you could have bought a used text and it wouldn't include the access code. In our case, for now, I'm just going to say no. If you have the access code, click on Yes and go to Next, and it'll instruct you to insert the access code and so forth. But for now, we'll say you don't have an access code. So we'll click there and go on to Next. Now you need to select the book we're using. We're using the 7th edition of Fundamentals of Management, which is this book right here. So we'll select that and go to Next. Now, the program is going to ask you whether you want the e-text or not. The e-text, it gives you some reasons why you should buy it. It's handy. You could have it on your computer at any time, or your laptop, carrying it around, so you wouldn't need to carry the book. I believe if you choose that you want the e-text and MyManagementLab, it'll cost you $80. But if you just want MyManagementLab, it's a little less than $40. So you could say, okay, well, let's see, I would like to buy it without the e-text. So click on that radio button and go Next. Here, they ask you to create, here they ask you if you have a user ID and password already, and if not, you can say, do you have a Pearson education account? If you have one, the reason you would have one, if you took a math course that used the MyMathLab, you would have already created an account, or some other course likewise. And if you haven't, you would click No, and then you would create a login name and create a password and retype that in, and so forth. You could click Not Sure and go on. But once you say no and you create these, then you click on Next and continue to follow the instructions. At that point, you'll be into the class. Okay, that's it for the short tutorial. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.